When you gotta go, you gotta go. Golly, I need a life. What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I just got up and figured I'd give you a little update about the day. So we're gonna go. I've been talking to this guy on Facebook about buying some wheel horses, so we're gonna drive out to Hope, Indiana and get some wheel horses. And once we get those loaded up, we're close enough. I thought, well, let's go see my buddy down in Seymour and see if we can't get the wheel welded up for the Gardenall tractor, which I'll show you that thing in a minute, hopefully. I think maybe I'll go show you that in a minute and we'll walk through it, but we need to get the wheel welded up on it because it's rotted out and hard to drive a tractor with a rotted out wheel. So we're gonna do that today and go down and get some wheel horses. So I got some, we'll probably take some footage and whatever, and yeah, so we're gonna go. I just woke up, I'm tired. We're gonna go get some wheel horses. Here we go. Okay guys, so here's the Gardenall tractor that we're talking about. Told you I'd get you some footage of it, and that's it's kind of cute. They were built in Indianapolis in the 1950s. This one's about a 59, but they were eventually bought out by Wheel Horse, and that's what Wheel Horse began to make wheel horses like that right there. But this is a Gardenall, and it's called a Big J as the model. We got these cool 3-rib tires for it to put on it, and it's got a Briggs & Stratton Model 23 Briggs motor in it, and it's a 3-speed Dodge transmission hooked to a narrowed down Plymouth rear end. Is how they built these. They'd comb junkyards and find the parts and shorten them down and use them. But what we need to do today is get the wheel welded. The rim is shot down here on the other one. This rusted completely away, and the rim fell into two parts basically. So we had the outer rim and the inner rim, and the center between them rotted out. So we've cleaned up the hub section of it and found a new ring, which we went ahead and bought, and we're gonna go down and get it welded today. So here we go. I don't always stick my welding on. Right. Movement. Oh yeah, don't mind those. Those are more wheel horse tractors. There's 5. It's fine. I bought those too, but don't tell anybody, okay? Don't tell nobody I bought those. Ain't nobody needs to know about that. These ones there. Those ones there. I bought those. There's only 6 of them. It's fine. It's a fine. There's only, I've sold 2 of them already. I sold one to my sister and one to my brother. So we're not doing real great, but we're doing pretty great. But, so I'm seeing you guys have got a thing wanting me to do some courses on troubleshooting. And there's a wiring issue going on with this tractor, so maybe we'll troubleshoot that and put it in the course. I don't know. We'll look into that. But pretty soon we're going to start building some stuff. It's warming up, so we're going to have to build some stuff. So let me know what you want me to build. I'm going to give you a couple options. Do you want us to build a mini bike? Do you want us to build a tractor? Or do you want us to build a hot rod? Because I've got all 3. And we may as well start building one of them. So I'll let y'all be the deciding factors here. And we'll see. I'm going to take some votes, put it up on some, we'll ask some questions and see what we do. But let me know in the comments which one you'd like us to start building first, and maybe we'll do that one first. So I'm going to get up out of this wind eye, and I'll be seeing you later. Take it easy.